In today's video, we will explain what a PAN card is, how many one can have, where it is used, and who issues it. Now, a PAN card stands for Permanent Account Number. It is an important document for every Indian citizen as it serves as a crucial personal identity document. It includes the individual's photo, name, full name, and father's name. For women, it also includes the father's name, even if they are married. Similarly, it includes the date of birth. So these 4 items are included. So who issues it? The Income Tax Department issues it. So this is a very important document. The IT department also considers it an important document for every Indian citizen. All our financial transactions are completed through this. We can regularly perform financial transactions only if we open an account in a bank. Generally, bankers handle this. They will ask for our personal identity. The most important document in our personal identity is the PAN card. So they will take the PAN card. They will use it to open their accounts. Without it, an account cannot be opened. So, based on this PAN card, it will be determined whether there is taxability or not. This means that only if we have this, the Income Tax Department can determine our taxability. Whether he falls under the tax category or not, those who make the best use of this will get an idea. Therefore, we need to give some importance to the PAN card. This means we also need to be careful. Otherwise, it's not just the tax burden on us, but also the burden of signing. Generally, no one in the country should have more than one PAN card. However, some people maintain 2 PAN cards. Whether they do it knowingly or unknowingly, it is very dangerous and should not be done at all. If a person has more than one PAN card, it can lead to very serious problems. If they get caught with 2 PAN cards, they will face a lot of difficulties. Some people obtain the PAN card through agents, but it should only be issued by the Income Tax Department. We must apply for the PAN card legally. Everyone, whether knowingly or unknowingly, should be aware of this. If you have 2 PAN cards, it is advisable to cancel the one obtained through an agent immediately. Generally, some people do this too. Receive benefits from the government. If caught, you will have to pay fines. Having a duplicate PAN card can result in a penalty of 10,000 plus additional charges. This penalty is imposed under Section 272B of the Income Tax Act. Therefore, you should not maintain or possess more than one PAN card. You should not do this. Many people think that since they lost their PAN card, they should apply for another one. Never do that. This is a very important matter. So, inform those who are unaware of this. If you have 2 PAN cards, correct it through the agent who applied for it. If you like this video, like, share, and search for more. Subscribe for more information. You can explore and find more details. Thank you for watching the video.